Do you think sending more emails means more reply? It is not. This is the point we are making mistakes. When we are designing a cold outreach campaign, we are sending too many emails, landing in spam folder, getting really low deliverability, really low open rate, getting our domain banned and losing opportunities. It should not be happened. As per Google and Yahoo last update, if your spam rate is above 0.3%, you are going to get a really low deliverability and sometimes your domain going to be banned. So what can we do at this moment? In 2024, it's not about sending too many emails. It's about sending quality email, making sure you are sending your campaign within the sending limit with a healthy deliverability. So how can we set our daily sending limit? We will have a look today how you can set your daily sending limit with Doplac.com when you are designing your cold outreach campaign, making it sure you are not sending too many emails and you are getting a higher amount of deliverability, higher amount of open rate when you are designing a cold outreach campaign with Doplac. So when you are designing a cold outreach campaign with Doplac, under the settings section of your campaign, and here it is, just scroll a little bit, and here it is the daily sending limit. It's a default 50, but it's quite tough to know actually what is the best sending limit. But expert says that take it 50 is a safe zone, but if you want to get a higher deliverability, take the sending limit, keep the sending limit below 30. So we'll suggest you to keep the sending limit below 30 or around 30 for each inbox to get a higher amount of deliverability and to get more open rate. Here you can adjust your sending limit very easily, whatever you want, but you can't send actually more than 50 email from each inbox using Doplac. We're actually making it sure you are not actually landing in spam folder. We are giving you the sending limit highest 50 to get you higher deliverability, higher open rate, and when it's cold outreach, it's really important to getting more open rate. So here is higher is 50, and then you can actually adjust your daily sending limit whatever you want within 1 to 50, and we'll suggest you till the 30 is the healthy sending limit for each inbox. And if you're wondering how you can send hundreds and thousands of cold email every single day while you have only 30 sending limit for each inbox, I will be making a video about how you can choose multiple inbox and how Doplac inbox rotation features can help you to send hundreds and thousands of cold email every single day without harming your deliverability. So this is the way you can set your daily sending limit when you are designing your cold outreach campaign with Doplac. And want to check out these features? Design your cold outreach campaign with Doplac because it's completely free until June 1st, 2024. So don't forget to check it out and see how it can help you to grow your agency.